gosh. Hi there guys and girls. Tissue naman po. Good day to each every one of you. Let's have one late lunch. I have here a apritada. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Pasuin naman po ng tissue, ate. Tissue po. I am so hungry. Come over here. My own cooked rice with tutong. Do you know what tutong is? Hold on guys. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Tutong is toasted rice and chicken afritada, as I have told you. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to buy. Oh my gosh. Bye for now.